few of my friends. No, I'm just kidding. So today we are tackling Python. We will be making, I'll just put this here just like as a reminder, a trivia app. Oh, why am I saying app? We're making a quiz project. Quiz, trivia, however you want to call it. We'll be using Visual Studio Code, and I'll change this name eventually. But yeah, we'll be using Visual Studio Code. We're tackling Python, and it has been a minute since. Oh, who on earth is? No, I have to close my Wi-Fi for this, because. Okay, we'll be using Visual Studio Code, tackling Python. It's been a minute, but let's start. Oh yeah, but that thing kind of gave me an idea though. I'll just say author Lowell. Is that how you spell author? Anyway, okay, I'm gonna start with creating a function. I'm gonna call it menu, right? And in our menu we will say print. And no bots this time. The bot idea from the C++ project backfired, so I will just keep things simple. This is also simple. It's also basic because I also know the basics. Alright, so we're kind of on the same level, I hope. If anyone has any opinions regarding how I structure my code or any other thing, they'll just leave a comment. I hope not. Don't leave comments. Keep it to yourself. So print hello and welcome to Lowell's Trivia. No, Lowell's Science Quiz. I'll censor this, but for now I'll just stick to the basics, like the things that are required. Just print, pick an option. Let's make it interesting. Fill in your details and pick an option from the menu below. Keep in mind, VS Code does not have, or it might have, but not that I know of, doesn't have spelling fixes or correction with pronunciation or how you spell your words. So if there are any spelling mistakes, my bad. Right, so fill in your details and pick an option from the menu below. I should change this to greeting. Greeting. Okay. And I'll just define another menu and just say, not a menu, a function, my bad. I'll just name it details. We'll say name equal to, I'm just gonna say string, and then input, enter name. This way we'll just enter name. Did I make a mistake here? Oh, string is not defined. What am I supposed to do with string again? Oh, you don't. Oh shoot, oh my days. C++ will be, wow. Okay, it's SCR for string in Python. I feel like I'll make a lot of mistakes, but okay. Name and then age, it's integer into input, and then enter age. The coding language, what the heck? My bad. The coding languages are mostly the same, it's just that it's the syntax is different. So the data types hardly change, so it's just this thing. feel like it will get annoying at some point, but okay. The only details we'll need, it's name, age, for developer purposes. Yeah, I should put like a disclaimer. Nah. Okay, the name, the age, and let's see what else. If I'll just create the name and the age here, is there a need for me to create a function and name it details though? Because it's unnecessary, but okay, it's fine. Does Python have a search case? I don't know. I'm not gonna use it. Oh, it does, but I'm not gonna use it. Right. I'm just gonna create another function and name it menu. Now this is the menu. Oh my days. Sorry. Let me hit menu and we'll say print. Ooh, okay. Here's the tricky part. So with these, there was no need for me to create this, right? Because if I create these two variables inside this function, I'm making them local variables, meaning I can't access them in the other functions. So I have to make them global, right? So that means there's no need for this function because again, it's just two variables. We'll just paste them up here. Just fix this. And we'll just delete this because I wanted to use it as a global variable because I want to include it in the greeting. So it's print hello again. Put the name here. Pick an option from the menu below. I will not make it that advanced to put age restrictions, but it would have been cool though, like putting age restrictions if the user is below 18. Some questions will not be. Oh, that is interesting. I should integrate that, but not yet. Alright, pick an option from the menu below. I'll say print option 1, I'll say start quiz. We just put a new line. Should I option 2? I'll just put an exit. Or should I put a modify name? Like maybe changing a name. But the name won't have that much significance in this whole program, so let's just leave it at that. So if my bad, I forgot to put option because it's the menu, right? Option, it's input. Input, enter, option, or should I say choice? Doesn't really matter. Enter option, now decision. If option is equal to 1. Should I start with 2? No, I'll just start with 1. Let us begin. Print. I'll just put that there. Let's begin. Ooh, I have an idea. I have a flipping nice idea. I'll put a point system. I'll just say point. Can I do this? I hope so. Okay. Nah. Am I allowed to do this? If so, then it would be interesting. Okay, let's begin. Yeah, there's no need for the million lines. I'll just put a new line here and say your current score is, and then I'll put the this and say points, because yeah. Should I say point or points? Let me say points, just for control, like plural. Okay, I want to test it out, but I can't just leave the thingy like this. Oh, maybe I can. Let me call it. Hopefully this works. Run Python file. Enter name. Oh yeah. Well, enter age. I'm not disclosing, sorry, my age in this thing, so I just say 0. Hello again, Lowell. Pick an option from the menu below, enter your option. I'll say start quiz. Current score is, there's the issue. Okay, I can't do this. Oh my days, I am such an idiot. I'll just put a 0, because it doesn't really matter if it's float or any other thing. So let's start this again. Oh my days. Run Python file. Enter name, global, enter age. 0. Start quiz. Your current score is 0 points. Perfect. I love the point system. I admire the point system. I'll just comment this out for now. 0 points. Should I put like another option? This is unnecessary, but I'll just put it there, because if I say no, then, because I'm thinking of putting like a question, saying, why am I saying plus? Are you ready? Not all my life. Are you ready? No, I'll just leave it at that. Again, apologies for the background noise. Now, question, are you ready? And then maybe put a decision again. But there's no need for the nested if statement, so I'll just, yeah. Keep in mind we need to think outside the box. Not that there's any harm in thinking inside the box. I'm just kidding, there is harm. I'm not making sense sometimes. It's crazy. Okay, we're saying your current score is that, and we'll start with the first question. Print question 1. We're going to put a new line in this to make everything clearer. Now, this is where we have fun with the questions. We'll just start with what is. Oh my days, what is the most abundant gas? Yeah, most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere. Because I'm thinking of like basic common knowledge questions, not like too deep science questions. What was I? At most. Why am I saying at most? Atmosphere. Should I put another? Yeah, and say maybe answer. Oh no, I'll put this in the. Okay, I'll put a new line, but the answer I'll include it in the thing. Oh, should I include options? Or just, because if it's just one word,